Let's learn some colors name. Green color, purple color, orange color, grey color, sky blue color, black color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for hen. I for iron. J for jam. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Thanks for watching. Bye.